Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Victory Capital Mutual Fund account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Victory Capital Mutual Fund login and press enter in the keyboard. And the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Victory Funds login as shown in the screen. Just click on it and their login portal will be opened right in your screen. And when you are inside the interface, you just have to scroll down a little bit and there is login into new online shareholder portal. You just have to click on that button and another interface will be shown to you or another web page will be shown to you. Depending on the internet connection, it may take few seconds, so you have to wait patiently for it. And in order to log in, you can just enter your user ID and you can log in, and after that you need to enter your password and you will be able to log in successfully. And if you haven't registered yet, then in the right hand side there is a register now button. Just click on it and follow the instruction provided by Victory Capital and you will be able to register, and they will redirect you to the login page where you need to enter your user ID. After that you need to enter your password. And if you have forgotten a password, in the right hand side just below the register now there is an reset password button. You can just click on it and you will be able to retry and change the password with the help of Victory Capital, and you just need to enter the new password and you will be able to log in successfully into Victory Capital. So this is how you can easily log in into Victory Capital Mutual Fund account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.